Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nani. I know it's been a while since I posted something, but today I'm here with a video from wait a minute with a video from Fashionnova. It won't be a long, like a big haul, but I recently ordered some stuff from Fashionnova, so let me show you guys and then I'll try them on for you. Wait, I'm opening the package. Okay, let me open this package. Oh my god. Cute stuff. Cute stuff. Cute stuff. So I'm gonna show you the stuff before I try them on, okay guys? So see, everything comes packaged. So let me open this. So I have an event coming up, so I'm definitely gonna wear one of these at the event. But everything that I ordered, it is in a size small. But hey girl, wait a minute. Wait a minute. But look at this though. This is the back. This is the front. And if you know me, you know I love black. I'm always in black. But this is a sweetheart. Okay, let's go to the next one. Ooh, the color, the chocolate. This is, oh my god, this I'm already loving it. This is a two-piece. It's a chocolate. Look at this on my skin. But yeah, it's a two. Oh my god, I was holding it upside down. But yeah, this is the top. And here's the skirt. Here's the skirts. Oh my god. You see this? This is everything that I ordered is a size small, and I'm praying to God everything fit, because I don't know if you guys are like me, my weight fluctuates. Okay, one moment I'm skinny, the next I'm thick. Hold on. But this dress though, look at this. Look at this detailing though. This is too cute. This is it. It's like a bondage dress. I don't know where I'm going, but this dress is going to be worn, okay? And it look like it's going to snatch up my shape. And then lastly, I told you it's going to be a small haul. Lastly is these pants. These pants, the detailing in these pants. A girl could never go wrong with some high waist, okay? But look at this. And I actually got it in a size 5. I don't know how much of you guys is like me. Like, my waist is tiny, so sometimes the jeans fit nice and good on my thighs, and then the moment it gets to my waist, it's like this gap. That's a hello. But stay tuned. I'm going to try everything on, okay? And I'll be right back.
What we do here is go back.